Welcome to this quick video from SPTech team to authorize an org using JWT Flow. Continuous integration environment are fully automated and does not support human interaction into the browser. In this environment, you must use JWT Flow to authorize an org. Prerequisite, you should have an OpenSSL on your computer. I already have it installed. If you don't have, you can go to this site and install OpenSSL. You can check if it is installed properly using OpenSSL version. Next step would be to generate the certificates. I have all the command ready here to save the time. So let's go one by one, run those commands, and also have this folder where all the certificate will be created. If I open this, you can see server.passkey got created. I will copy the second one. It will create server key. Let me copy. This will create a CSR. We have to provide this information. Okay. If we see here, these are created. Let me copy the last one. Okay, so if you see here, we have all the certificate got created. Now let's set up the connected app. Log into your sandbox environment. Go to App Manager. Click New Connected App. Let me say JWT DevOps JWT. Check this enable auth settings. Callback URL. Use digital signature. Select the server.crt file. You have to select 3 OAuth scopes here. Perform request at any time. Manage user data via API. Manage user data via web browser. Hit save. Continue. Manage. We need to copy this consumer key. And secret. Let's go back. Edit policies. We have to make sure this permitted user is set to admin. Approved users are pre-authorized. Save. And also in policies, in profiles. In profiles, we have to select system admin. Save. Now let's test our connected app. I have a command ready. Let me copy paste. Put the username, server key, which is located in the same path, SPTech JWT. I put the consumer key and the sandbox URL. So hit enter, and yeah, it's successfully authenticated with this user for this org ID. So this is how you use JWT token and SFDX to connect with Salesforce org. SFDX is a powerful tool. It can do a lot of things in backend like deployment, data query, and so on. Thanks for watching.